Yes, 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 yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about Bitcoin, this big drop that we see right now on the charts. We are going to look at the stock market, answer some questions. I know you guys have questions, and I'm here to answer your questions. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I'm a professional trader. Been trading going on 13 years. I love the market. I do this full time from home, Monday through Fridays. So if you want to learn from a guy that's basically been doing this for a long time and only use the charts, hit that subscribe button. All right. Of course, if you want to learn more information, you can go in the description. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. And during this live stream, actually, if you're watching this live stream on replay, okay, you can actually go to settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. So let's get this party started. Let me see if I see anybody in the building. Let's see. I don't know if my live stream is working. So far it's saying that I'm on. I don't see. Let me see. I don't see nobody. Oh, okay, I see people out in the building. All right, so we are going to look at Bitcoin first, and then we are going to look at other markets, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And also, guys, can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear the mic. I'm trying to make this a quick live stream. I have things to do, but let me know if you hear me through the mic. All right. So let's look at the coin market cap. Everything is pretty much in red. A lot of coins are in double digits when it comes to red. Dominance is still 63.8. It's not really going higher, staying where it's at. And overall, we had a nice drop today, and it is what it is. So I'm definitely going to give you guys my thoughts right now, and we can go from there. So let me make sure you guys can hear me, guys. Let me know if you can hear me on the mic. Let me know. Let me just. Hello. See, I don't even hear myself. Hold on. Hello. Yeah. Let me see. The mic, everything seems like it's working. I don't know, guys. Hold on. Okay, you hear? Okay. They said you can hear it. All right. Because for some reason, I don't hear nothing on my side, which is weird. Oh, I know why I don't hear nothing. Because, hold on, guys. All right. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I know why. I don't
Okay, cool. I had my Bluetooth on. All right, so let's get this party started. Now, guys, very simple, okay? Very, very, very simple. We talked about this last week, okay? We talked about this, okay? This is very simple, right? I told you guys we had a nice trend line right here, okay? I told you guys that if the bulls want to continue this up move, they have to show strength at that trend line and continue to go up, okay? But what else did I say, guys? I said to you guys that even if they go up, okay, even if we find buyers at that trend line, guys, what did I tell you? Okay, I'm not making this stuff up. Some of you guys don't want to listen because maybe you went all in your coin and you just want to you want this thing to go higher. I totally understand that, okay? But listen to me for a second, all right? I'm gonna show you the macro view, all right? We had a heck of a drop right here, all right? We never recovered from this drop. This is what I'm trying to tell you right now. We never recovered from this drop, all right? Forget about the up moves. Every up move that you see is a lower high. You have to understand that, okay? Now, we have a big trend line right here, and we have, zoom in, okay, resistance all over the place. I told you guys, multiple resistance. We have to fight through that round number 10,000. Okay, we have this high right here. We have resistance right here. Okay, resistance right here. We didn't even make it to these resistance right here because this 10,000 level is heavy. We talked about this before, how we hit it 5 times. Bang, 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 bang. And it dropped. All right. I told you guys right here, me personally, I wouldn't be a buyer right here. All right. You can do whatever you want to do. Me, I won't. I'm not going to be a buyer because this is based on stats. Okay. Of me just looking at the charts over and over and over. Okay. That area right there is not a high probability trade for me when it comes to the long side. Right. Because everything is pointing down. It's too much resistance. Now let's zoom in real quick. I told you guys, even if we bounce, okay, even if we bounce from this trend line, what did I say, guys? We have trouble around here, okay? It's a strong possibility we're going to have trouble around here. So we have to clear this area. I told you guys that, okay? We didn't even make it to the breakout, and we sold off. So that's telling you this is weak, okay? Now, we have this nice little bounce, okay? We have to see if it just is either last selling, okay, or a continuation to the downside. Do I think we have more downside? Most likely, since we failed from this, since we had, this trend line didn't hold up. Most likely, we have more downside, okay, and that downside could actually wipe out this big breakout right here, okay. So whoever went long right here, most likely, if we continue to go down, we're going to wipe these guys out. Plain and simple. And I told you guys before that I like this bottom right here, this pattern right here. But I tell you right now that doesn't mean anything. Okay? That just means temporary. It could be a temporary bottom. That's it. I see this stuff it happens all the time, guys. Now, if we do break this breakout right here, guys, the next step is all the way back down to the 6,000s, and most likely all the way back down 4,000s, and most likely all the way back down 3,000s. Now, this is not going to happen overnight. All right, we still have room to play around because the market loves to play around. So we can still wiggle. Okay, we can even find support at this breakout. So we can actually go down right here, find support at this breakout, act like we going right back up, just to find resistance right here, just to go right back down. So, this stuff plays out, but it takes a long time because these guys have all day to play with your emotions. But right now, what I'm looking at, guys, is a weak market that that can't even make higher highs, and we have just too much resistance, guys. Too much. All right. I understand you love crypto market. I used to love the idea. I don't know more because now I understand, the people behind it. These guys are, is put like this. Crypto is not decentralized. Okay. I don't care what no one says. You can try to convince yourself it's decentralized. It's not. All right. What else? Crypto is pretty much it's a takeover. Okay, so it's not the same. So me personally, I don't like crypto like that no more. When it comes to a long-term hold, it's only good for trading. That's it, swing trading. Now, we have to see if this is going to be a continuation. If it is, most likely we're going to probably hit this breakout right here. And when we hit this breakout, don't be surprised we might bounce. Okay, that usually always happen anyway. So it's never going to go straight down. So yes, we are probably going to find some type of support around here, and this bounce is going to, guess what, get everybody hyped again. I don't know why you guys don't learn from the past. Just observe. All right, observe and listen. Okay, and look. Why do you get excited every time the market goes up? I don't get it. Do you like losing money? Do you like being tricked? I mean, I just don't get it. How many times you guys get excited when you see the market goes up, right? Going up. I don't get it. How many times you guys get excited? And next month, it basically reverse on you, and all of a sudden now you lose all hope. It's the same cycle over and over and over again. This is why you have to learn how to read the chart. All right. Now, that's BTC. We are going to go to. I really don't want to look at any other coins right now. Every coin is basically the same. All right. Litecoin is the same. All these coins are basically looking weak, looking like they have potential to go down even more. Okay. So it is what it is. XRP, again, remember we talked about this, okay, guys? We talked about XRP. We said that yes, it's a possibility we might find support right here, but it has to hold. Okay, this is not holding right here. Now we broke this. We made a low, so more is a strong possibility. We will probably continue to go down. All right, it is what it is. I can't do nothing about this. Right? You better hope. You better hope some buyers come in, because I truly believe your last hope is right here. Okay, BTC, your last hope is right here, is this right here, this support area right here. All right, we could bounce from this, most likely we will, and that's probably your last hope. You better hope that will not, okay, fail you. Even if we do bounce from that, I still don't like that. All right, but like I said, that's you know, in my opinion, your last hope. Because if we break this, you know, I think we're just going all the way right back down to lows. All right. All the way back down to 3,000. Let's see. Let's go to some questions, and then we go from there. We're going to look at some more markets. Then we go from there. I'm not going to spend a lot of time today, you know, talking about the same thing. What's going on, 1106 JBiz, Dom? What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Put your questions in the chat box, guys. All right. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions. Try to get rid of the flu, Ben. I fell asleep in the other day, sick as a dog. When I told you I was going to hit. Oh, okay. I see. I hear you. I hear you guys. So let me answer some questions and we go from there. All right, so guys, listen, I'm gonna take a 1 minute break. My daughter, like I said, I don't know why. She's supposed to be sleeping right now. She's not sleeping. So just give me a second. Just give me Yep, I am back. Let's see if my mic is working. All right. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me now? Let me know before I come back. Cuz my mic just messed up. All right, cool. So let's go back to some questions here. Support at 8,300. Okay, let's see. 8,300. You know, like I said, you know, it could be support, but I'm just telling you what I'm looking at right now. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm not a buyer right now. Right? Yeah, crypto Corey. Yeah, get better, bro. Get better. You said you had the flu. No problem, man. get better. You can always email me. Is it possible to take a look at a stock? Yeah, I'll take a look at it later. Your favorite YouTuber loves to get people excited. Yeah, you know how it is. All right. JBiz said, "My bad. I was signed to my girl account." Huh? He said, "Nah, I'm gonna get a corona test done if you got the flu." Oh man, that's funny. They said you better get a corona test. Crypto Corey, you hear that? They said you gotta get that corona test, bro. Your daughter's never sleeping when she's supposed to. I know, man. You know why? Because as soon as I put it down, that's when I go live. All right, so it's not. You know how kids are. They don't sleep right away. So that's why. That's the thing. I should wait till she's in a deep sleep, but I got things to do, so I got time to be waiting. Same thing when I trade, I got time to be waiting, guys. I don't have 5 years, 10 years to be waiting for a return. I mean, I still don't understand some of you guys with the crypto market. All right, I mean, I understand, man. It was good while it lasted, but some of you guys are still waiting. It's going on 3 years, still waiting. I don't got time for that. No, 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 no. Let me see here. Uh, you said I cop some under 4K. Honestly, I like 2K better, bro. I like 2K better. Stuffworks said why I'm not a mod anymore. Basically, I remember taking you off. Okay, now if I did take you off, maybe because you was inactive. I went back to my thing and Sheesh. Mike. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, guys, I gotta get a new mic. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. This is ridiculous. So guys, let me know, okay, how long you guys didn't hear me, okay? Let me know, because somebody just texted me on my Discord room, told me that they didn't hear me. So let me know how long, okay? What was the last thing you guys hear me or heard what I was talking about? Let me see. What was the last thing you guys heard, guys? Sheesh, 7 minutes. I'm saying, what was the last thing? What was the last thing you guys heard? Or. Bitcoin going under 2,000. All right, I hear that. So you didn't hear anything that I said about the con. I was talking about con. Did you hear anything about this, guys? This stock right here. We was talking about this. Did you hear anything about this? All right. All right. So the con, guys, I told you, tech, tech. I want you to basically tell me, uh what do you want me to look at when it comes to this chart, because this chart is this chart is getting hit with the Hadouken. Oh, you can. You win. Yo, this chart is. Yo, man, listen, bro. Let me know what you want to know about this chart, because I don't see anything. All right, when it comes to con. Sonic boom. Guys, I just don't see it. So let me know, okay, what you see about this, or what do you want me to know? Okay, I mean, what do you want me to look at? Okay, now let's look at the Nasdaq. Okay, real quick. And then we are going to go back to the questions, guys. We had a bounce late bounce afternoon on Friday. Now, the way I'm looking at the stock market, guys, is very simple. Okay? It's very simple, guys. I think that, this chart will basically, I think this chart will roll over. So we will most likely see new lows. So what could happen is, okay, we can actually go up next week. Oh, actually this week. So don't be fooled by that. All right. I believe it's a possibility we can try to go up one more time just to go right back down. Things right now just seems very weak, and I don't think that the first bounce will do it. I really don't think the first bounce is going to be that bounce. All right. Like I said, we will see. We don't know what's going to happen, but I just giving you guys my professional view. I don't think that first bounce is it. I think we will probably go lower and lower. All right. Smack somebody in the face. All right. Take their money. And then, then we go from there, trying to figure out where a possible bottom is. But right now, I think we will most likely go back down. So let's go back to the questions. Let's see what you guys talking about. All right. Yeah, tech. Let me know. Let me see. You said I was looking at it. You said how done the bounces. How's it done? These bounces down, bounces up. Oh, you talking about how it bounces out of nowhere? Honestly, bro, I mean, if you're not in this stock, I mean, yeah, you can bounce. It could bounce, but in my opinion, this stock is, it's not it right now. It's not it right now. Me personally, I wouldn't look for a bounce. All right, so let's go to some more questions, guys. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. We want to go to the cryptos later. We're gonna continue with the cryptos, but this, if you have any questions, I don't care if it's crypto related, stock market related. Let me know. I'm about to end this live stream very soon. I have things to do, but overall, guys, let's look at crude oil real quick. Let's see. All right, crude oil. Oh my gosh, I didn't even check this out. Crude oil is getting smacked, bro. Yo, this joint is getting done. All right, so we are going to these lows right here. So there's a strong possibility we can go back in the 20s, bro. All right, things is dropping, but most likely we probably, well, I don't know. This is a big bounce, so I don't know if we don't get followed through right here, we might see a bounce, but we'll see. We will see. All right. Let's go to gold, guys. Let's go to gold, and we're gonna go back to cryptos soon. All right, guys. All right, so let's go to that gold real quick. All right, so gold had a nice little pop Friday, and we actually, I believe, created a new high. Okay, and as soon as it created a new high, we sold off a little bit, but we can actually continue to go back up. But overall gold is looking strong. I told you guys that, we have the ability to make a new high, and go to 1700. All right, so we'll see. We will see. What else? Let's look at silver. Okay, so silver is looking, very different than gold, which I know is going to piss a lot of people off because, some people can't afford gold and they go to silver, but silver is just one of those, one of those markets that just takes forever. But I still believe silver has the ability to, create a new high and go to the 20s. So we'll see. Other than that, I think that's it, guys. Pretty much that's it. If you guys have any questions, we're gonna actually let's look at Tesla real quick, and then we're gonna go from there. If you guys have any questions, let it type it in right now. If not, I'm going to end this live stream very soon. If you guys, so overall, Tesla is having problems going above this area right here. So Tesla could actually continue to go down. This bullish bar looks very weak, so most likely Tesla will probably continue to go down, back probably in the 500s, maybe even all the way back to the 400s. So it is what it is with that. All right, so let's go back to Bitcoin, guys, and let's see if I see any questions. All right, any questions? If not, we can basically we can end this right there. Somebody said Tiger uppercut. yeah, dudes is crazy. I'm reading these questions, guys. Just give me a second. Let me see. Oil is getting messed up. Yeah, we checked oil already. ES going below this low. Open lower. I made a 44% move on WRX. Is that a stock? Tesla is crushing crude oil. What do you mean by that? Tesla is crushing crude oil. Let me know. Saudi is flooding the oil market. We love you, Ben. Take care. Shout out to you. I love you guys too. Bitcoin next move in 24 hours. You want to know, you want me to tell you the next move for Bitcoin in 24 hours? Bro, I wish I can tell you, man. I wish I could tell you. All I know is we have resistance. It looks weak and we dropped. All right. Head and shoulders reversal on what? Well, I mean, guys, listen. Guys, I don't know exactly what you're talking about. Head and shoulders. What? I mean, what chart are we talking about here? All right. Are we talking about BTC? I mean, come on. We looked at multiple charts today. Sunny Decree is here watching. Sunny Decree. Oh, Sunny nah. Sunny don't want that work. Sunny doesn't want that work, bro. He's definitely not watching. He wants to hear the news. All right. Sunny actually made 3 videos lately telling people to buy Bitcoin. All right. So I can't really deal with people like that. Let's go back to some questions, guys. Thanks for coming. Love, been a lot of help, man. No problem, Kevin. Are you trading futures today at the open? Today is Sunday. I don't trade on the weekends. I just trade Monday through Friday. So nah, I don't trade like the afternoons on I don't trade that. Can you look up the SPY? Head and shoulders mean a drop? No, I'm asking you guys. You saying head and shoulders on what chart? All right. You know what you guys talking about? You know, you said head and shoulders on what chart? Be specific, guys. Hey, what's going on, Mr. XRP? What's up? Been a long time. Looks like Bitcoin is doomed. Yeah, I mean, overall, guys, you know, it is what it is. I mean, Bitcoin is a slug. These altcoins is, you know, they are slugs too. So it is what it is, man. At the end of the day, I talked about this. A lot of people won't agree, okay, with my views of Bitcoin. It's okay, all right, because overall, the way I'm looking at Bitcoin is, you know, most guys they think beliefs are reality, all right. People will go back and forth with me and say, well, this is going to happen, that's going to happen. Bro, me or you, we don't know what's going to happen, okay? What I'm giving you every single time I go live, I'm giving you my professional view, okay? And I'm giving you things that might happen because of years of experience, all right? I'm not saying that it will happen. That's the difference, all right? Most of you guys saying that it will happen. So that's why a lot of you guys will never learn, because you are still in that state of, yeah, it will happen. Like me or you don't know what's going to happen. All right. I'm just giving you my professional view on the markets. And the reason why it seems like I'm, you know, seems like I'm getting everything right a lot of times, it's not because I could predict a lot of stuff. It's almost like riding a bike or, you know, playing basketball. Like certain things you just see, you know, if you've been doing it for a long time, you just see the same things happen over and over. So that's all it is. And right now, Bitcoin, in my opinion, okay, is going to have trouble hitting new highs. We probably will never see, that's just my opinion though. You know what I'm saying? We probably will never see a 50K Bitcoin. That's just my opinion, right? or we probably never even go back to 20K. Like I said, just my opinion. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right. All right. So just because I believe Bitcoin will probably never go to 20K again or 50K, all right, doesn't mean that I'm not going to take advantage, right, of opportunities, right? So basically, what I'm trying to say is just because I believe something doesn't mean my trading is based on that belief, okay? Let me give you a good example. We was dropping right here. And when we was dropping, hold on, let me erase this. When we was dropping right here, I thought we was going to continue. I thought we was going to probably hit 2,000, whatever, okay? But we didn't. We broke out of here, okay? We had a nice consolidation. We broke out, right? As soon as we broke out of here, guys, guess what? All right? I said, guys, whoever's going short, chill out, bro. Chill out. Right now, it's time to go long. I see some high-quality setups. I see long setups. That's it, all right? See, that's the difference between me and other people. I don't make my beliefs do not get in my way when it comes to making money, okay? Just because I believe Bitcoin will go lower, okay, doesn't mean that, let's say, for example, right now we're at what? 8,000, right? I believe Bitcoin has the ability to go lower, right? Doesn't mean I'm going to trade that way. So if Bitcoin decides to break out, right, make new highs, continue to go back up, I'm going to look for long opportunities, okay? Because I'm not trading my beliefs. I'm trading what's going on right now. That's the difference between me and most guys that I see that continue to get hit left and right. They are trading their beliefs. I'm not trading that, guys. I'm trading what I see right now, okay? That's the difference. That's all it is. So if I come on here and say, yeah, I believe Bitcoin will probably never go back to 20K, that's just my beliefs. I don't know if I'm going to be right. I'm not in the business to sound smart, to make predictions. Predictions doesn't put money in my pocket, okay? What put money in my pocket, guys, is, okay, having an edge, having a strategy that is backed up by data, by stats, right? Years of stats that tells me, right, if a certain condition is going on, okay, and price is at a certain level and it sets up, and I see a setup, okay, is a high probability that setup or that trade is going to work out. That's it. It has nothing to do with my beliefs. It has everything to do with my stats, my work that I put in, right? And that's what you guys have to understand. You are trading your beliefs. You believe Bitcoin will hit 50K. I don't believe that. I don't care if it hit 50K. I don't care if it goes to 1K, guys. All right? If Bitcoin goes down, guess what? Boom, I can trade it to the downside. If Bitcoin goes up, guess what? Boom, I can trade it to the upside. My beliefs don't even matter. So that's why I can literally come on here with confidence every single day and talk about what I do with confidence, because I'm not trying to sound smart. I'm not trying to predict. All right? Most of you guys are trying to predict. Oh man, I see Bitcoin going to 25K or blah, 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 blah. That's what you see. Who cares what you see? Doesn't matter. All right? And once you, like, certain people have to hit a certain level. They have to go through a certain certain type of beating before they realize, oh my gosh, the market is not, okay, the market doesn't care about what I think. All right. Some people are not at that level yet. They don't understand. Some people think that it's the strategy, okay, or it's the setup that's making them the money. All right. No, it's not. It's basically it. First of all, you have to understand that everything is not just setups. All right. It's based on multiple things. You have to do your back testing. You have to have stats that backs up everything you're talking about. You can't just watch one video on YouTube and say, oh my gosh, whew, that video was nice, bro. Oh man, I can see that working. That's it. That's all you got for me? Psst. Bro, guys like me and professionals will take your money all the time because you don't put in the work. You don't even back test. Bro, you don't even know how much hours I put in this. So much. Okay? I back test so much. So for you to even have a strategy, I guarantee you most of you guys don't even back test. But you think that you found the holy grail because you watch one video on YouTube because this guy has 100K subscribers. So we can make a lot of money with this now. Let's go back to some questions and we are going to wrap this up. I'm about to be out, guys. I got things to do. All right. Why do you choose the time you trade? I trade the futures market Monday through Friday because that's when the market opens. Okay, the market opens, the stock market opens Monday through Friday. Okay, yes, we do have an open on Sunday, but that's not the pit open. The pit's open, okay, on Monday through Friday. So the big dogs are trading Monday through Friday. They're not trading on Sunday afternoon. Can a decent move happen Sunday afternoon? Yeah, it's a possibility, but for the most part, it's choppy. Let me see here. All right, so guys, hurry up and ask your questions because I'm about to get out. Someone said they want to look at the SPY. We looked at the NASDAQ, same thing with the NASDAQ. The SPY is the same thing. Actually, we just look at the ES, same thing. All right. Basically, yeah. So most likely we can roll over, or possibly we can probably pop up one more time just to roll back over. I don't think the first bounce is going to be it. That's just me. All right. Let's go to some more questions here. I trade price action. I don't care what it is. No attachment, no emotional attachment to the. Yes, that's what you gotta do, bro. Yep. What's going on, George? Shout out to you, bro. All right, guys. So, shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate everybody stopping by. What's going on, Mayton? Good to see you guys. Listen, guys. Appreciate everybody stopping by. Make sure you listen, guys. Before I leave, you have to understand, guys. All right, you have to improve as a trader, and you can't get stuck in this mentality where you feel that you know it all. Right, guys, you don't know nothing. Okay, I don't know nothing. Right, you have to understand that. Some of you guys can't. You know, when I first started trading, I realized someone told me this. Right. They said that smart people have a hard time dealing with the markets. And now I understand that now, okay? Because smart people are so used to being right. Okay? Good thing I wasn't smart when it comes to, school. I barely graduated high school, so good thing I wasn't smart, so I don't care being wrong, okay? I'm more, reality smart versus book smart. Okay, I understand reality, I understand nature, I understand human beings, emotions, behavior, right? I understand that, patterns. I don't care about math and science and, stupid equations that we're not going to use on a daily basis. But overall, guys, smart people have a hard time when it comes to these markets because they want to be right. And I'm trying to tell people, it's not about being right, guys. You can actually still make money being wrong. So stop being right. Forget about your ego. Forget about what you think. It doesn't matter. All right? Come on, guys. Do you want to make money or do you want to get smacked in the face? Guys, it's time to step it up. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate everybody that's here. Hit that subscribe button. Hit those likes before you leave. Talk to you guys later, and please have a great day.